oppose this bill tooth and nail, and this bill should be revoked by the government of India.
Your designation, please.
I'm Mohammad Nasir Khan. I'm actually an educationist. However, we gather here in Quokta public ground to protest against Waqf Amendment Act 2025. This is one particular act based on religious rights of Muslims, and we Muslims are the first one to have such kind of bill or the act all over India. After that, different religions have demanded and have their own rights and acts. However, under this BJP government, a bill has been passed and converted into act which we oppose. Tooth and nail, we oppose this bill, and this bill should not be implemented in a country like India, where every religions have their own different colors and rights. So in a country like India, where democracy has been implemented since independence, and where republic rights has been to all the citizens of the country, we oppose this bill tooth and nail, and this bill should be revoked by the government of India.
So from where you started, who are the participants group?
The participants are the civilians from Quokta, as well as the civil organization of Quokta village and surrounding villages. Not just Quokta, the Muslim populations or the Pangal people residing in Manipur, they have come and supported us for this cause.
From where you have started your rally?
Our rally has started from Quokta public ground, and we passed through all the roads of Quokta village, where we have already traveled more than 3 kilometers, and we finally reached this destination again.
In this particular amendment bill, what are the core issues that you have been objecting?
The core issues is they are trying to grasp the rights of the Muslim communities. Not just that, the participants of this Waqf board, they try to intrude some non-Muslims. That was what we don't want. Not just that, these Waqf properties are the properties that are already for charity purpose, for the development of the community, for masjid, mosques, kabristan, and all those medical and educational facilities meant for minority Muslims. But the participation of non-Muslims in this particular board may harm our objectives. That's why we oppose this bill. Not just that, all the properties under Waqf, these are all charities from different Muslim sections. Since our prophets, we have to say, and during Mughal period, not just that, after independence also there are lots of Waqf land or areas where it has been given for this purpose. But this introduction of this amendment in this Waqf board will surely harm the objectives of this Waqf board. That's why we oppose it. Participants of today's rally are all Quokta Youth Voluntary Organization, all Meitei Pangal Youth Association, Anjuman Islami Muhasara. Not just that, we have Jamiatul Ulama Bishnupur district, and all other civil society organizations are participating in this. Not just that, we have one coordinating committee in the form of AKCOC, which is known as All Quokta Coordinating Committee. So they are organizing it, and more than 20,000 civilians have turned out for this particular cause.
Today, the Khetragaon MLA Nur Hassan has also said that he will be filing a petition against this bill in the Supreme Court. How do you react with that?
Yes, we really appreciate Honorable MLA of Khetragaon AC, and we appeal all the Muslim representatives in India up to the rank of MLAs and MP to file a case against this bill to file a case against this bill to the Supreme Court of India. All the Muslim representatives residing in the country should file a case against this bill to the Supreme Court of India.
मेरा नाम मौलाना सईदुर रहमान कासमी, मैं अंजुमन इस्लामी मुआशरा कोकता का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हूँ और आज के ये